Hello everybody, my name is Jess the Cat, and my YouTube channel is just going to be about funny things, reviewing games, reviewing restaurants, reviewing everything, and a bunch of fun stuff, just for you, so you can watch for your enjoyment and maybe to learn something. But yeah, so today I'm just going to show you my signature. Today we're going to be doing something that is the most crucial thing in all my videos. Drawing on my kitty whiskers. First, let's start with the nose. So I usually start with making a circle, and then I fill it in. So once that is done, you can now draw the whiskers. This is really hard to do it in a backwards camera. Where's my nose? There it is. Don't do that. Next, draw on the other side, which I already started doing. I can't do this in a backwards mirror. There we go! After like hours of hard work, surprisingly, I finally drew on an okay pair of kitty whiskers. And so thanks for tuning into this episode, and I hope you stick around for some of my Just the Cat episodes. So, meowsers, see you next time. And the whiskers will probably, hopefully, will get better.